Hello, creators and aspiring YouTubers. Welcome to Level Up Your YouTube Game, from passion to professional. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into transforming your YouTube channel from a simple hobby into a thriving professional platform. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your existing content, this episode is packed with actionable insights to help you succeed in the increasingly competitive world of video content creation. Before we jump in, I want you to know that everything I'm sharing today comes from years of experience and countless hours of research. The YouTube landscape is constantly evolving, but these principles have stood the test of time. So grab a notebook because you'll want to jot down these game-changing strategies. Let's kick things off with understanding the foundation of YouTube success. Many creators jump straight into making videos without establishing a clear identity. Your first step should be defining your channel's purpose and target audience. Ask yourself, what unique perspective do you bring? Who exactly are you creating content for? This clarity will inform everything from your video topics to your visual aesthetic. Consider creating a one-page channel blueprint that outlines your niche, audience demographics, content pillars, and unique value proposition. This document becomes your North Star when you're making decisions about content direction. For example, if your channel focuses on budget travel for digital nomads, every video should somehow connect back to this core theme, whether directly or tangentially. Now, let's talk about upgrading your technical setup. Many new creators believe they need expensive equipment from day one. That's simply not true. What you need is a strategic approach to improving your production quality incrementally. Start with mastering what you have. Even a smartphone camera can produce professional results with proper lighting and composition. When you're ready to invest, prioritize in this order. First, good audio, because viewers will forgive mediocre video but rarely poor sound. Next, lighting, which dramatically improves visual quality regardless of your camera. Third, a decent camera, and only after you've maximized the potential of your current setup. Finally, editing software, where free options like DaVinci Resolve offer professional capabilities before you need to consider paid subscriptions. Let's move on to content strategy, arguably the most important element of YouTube success. The algorithm rewards two things above all else: retention and engagement. This means creating content that keeps viewers watching and encourages them to interact. But how do you actually achieve this? Start by analyzing your top-performing videos. What topics, formats, or styles generate the most watch time? Use YouTube Analytics to identify the exact moments viewers drop off, then critically evaluate why. Are your intros too long? Do you lose focus in the middle? Is your ending abrupt? These insights will help you refine your approach. One game-changing strategy is implementing pattern interrupts throughout your videos. These are deliberate changes in pacing, visuals, or delivery that re-engage viewers' attention. Think about switching between talking headshots and demonstrations, changing locations, or using graphics and B-roll to illustrate points. Even simple techniques like zooming in during key moments can significantly boost retention. Remember that YouTube is fundamentally a storytelling platform. Even educational or instructional content benefits from narrative structure. Open with a compelling hook that establishes what viewers will gain. Create a logical progression that builds toward key insights, and always deliver on your promise. Viewers who feel satisfied are more likely to return for future videos. Now, let's discuss the often overlooked art of optimizing your content for discovery. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, yet many creators neglect basic SEO principles. Your title, description, and tags should all work cohesively to signal to the algorithm exactly what your content delivers. When crafting titles, aim for clarity over cleverness. Include relevant keywords naturally, but make sure the title accurately represents your content. Misleading titles might bring initial clicks, but will hurt retention and erode audience trust. For descriptions, front-load the most important information and keywords in the first 2 to 3 sentences, then use the remaining space to add context and relevant links. Custom thumbnails are your billboard on YouTube, and they deserve significant attention. The most effective thumbnails combine high contrast, minimal text, ideally 3 to 5 words, clear subject focus, and emotional appeal. Develop a consistent thumbnail style that's instantly recognizable as viewers scroll through their recommendations. Let's talk about community building, transforming viewers into dedicated fans. Respond to comments within the first 24 hours of publishing when engagement is highest. Ask specific questions in your videos to drive comment participation, and create opportunities for viewers to contribute ideas for future content, making them feel invested in your channel's journey. Consider developing content formats that encourage return viewership. Series-based content creates anticipation for the next installment. Recurring segments give viewers something familiar to look forward to. And documenting progress over time, whether it's a skill development journey or a long-term project, creates natural narrative tension that keeps audience members coming back. Algorithm-friendly posting schedules matter, but consistency matters more than frequency. It's better to publish quality videos on a predictable schedule than to post frequently with inconsistent quality. Find a sustainable rhythm that allows you to maintain production standards without burning out. Speaking of burnout, let's address creator sustainability. YouTube success is a marathon, not a sprint. Implement systems that make content creation manageable long-term. This includes content batching, recording multiple videos in a single session, and creating templates for your thumbnails, descriptions, and video structures to streamline production. Remember that inspiration isn't unlimited. Develop systems for capturing content ideas when they strike, and build a content calendar that plans videos at least a month in advance. This strategic approach reduces decision fatigue and prevents those panicked, "what do I film today?" moments. As you grow, consider how you'll monetize beyond AdSense. The most successful YouTube creators develop multiple revenue streams. This might include channel memberships, merchandise, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or creating premium products like courses or coaching. Each of these should align with your content and provide genuine value to your audience. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts on professional growth. The creators who succeed long-term on YouTube are those who balance authenticity with strategic evolution. Your content should grow as you grow, reflecting your developing expertise and production capabilities while maintaining the core connection with your audience that brought them to you in the first place. Remember that professionalism on YouTube isn't about perfectly polished content. It's about consistently delivering value, respecting your audience's time, and approaching your channel with intention and integrity. Even with simple equipment, these principles will set you apart from creators with higher production values but less substance. That brings us to the end of today's episode on leveling up your YouTube game. If you found value in these insights, I'd love for you to subscribe to Gear Elevated for more content on digital creation and optimization. And for those ready to take their creator journey to the next level, I invite you to join Creator Ops, our community of forward-thinking content creators sharing workflows, strategies, and support. The link is in the description. Thank you for listening, and remember, your YouTube channel isn't just about videos. It's about building a platform that connects your unique perspective with the people who need to hear it. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and keep leveling up.